Measurement isn't just about numbers. It's a language for solving real-world puzzles. Think about calculating the fence needed for a complex garden, figuring out how many laps of a track you need to run for a 10-kilometer race, or helping an architect plan a building from a blueprint. But these puzzles often contain a trap: mixed units. Adding 5 meters to 50 centimeters and getting 55 is the single most common mistake. This leads us to the golden rule, the one key that unlocks almost every length problem. Before you add, subtract, multiply, or divide, you must convert all your measurements into the same unit. Imagine a red ribbon that's 1.2 meters long and a blue one that's 85 centimeters. To find their total length, you first convert the 1.2 meters into 120 centimeters. Now you can add them. 120 plus 85 gives you 205 centimeters. Simple. This single rule works everywhere. It lets you find a missing side on a garden fence when you know the total perimeter. It helps you compare who ran further in a relay race, the person who ran 1,200 meters or the one who ran 0.8 kilometers. It even lets you shrink the entire world onto a piece of paper. Architects use scale drawings with ratios like 1 to 100. This means 1 centimeter on the drawing equals 100 centimeters in real life. If a room is 2 centimeters wide on a 1 to 150 scale plan, you just multiply 2 by 150. The real room is 300 centimeters, or 3 meters wide. Finally, after you have your answer, use your secret weapon, the reasonableness check. Does your result make sense? A bedroom shouldn't be 300 meters wide. This final common sense step catches nearly every mistake. Master the uniform unit rule. Always check for reasonableness, and you'll find you're not just doing math, you're solving the world's puzzles.